Good morning friends, I am Nisha, CED of AccessIndia.com Store Private Limited. Now I am going to explain about the plan of Access. First, I welcome all of you on behalf of Access family and Win team. Friends, let's see what is Access. Access is the number one business started from Tamil Nadu, origin in Chennai. The first and fastest growing company which tied up the online digital marketing with network marketing. It is based on online category of shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopclose, etc. Amazon is origin from California and Flipkart is from Bangalore, but now it is under the control of Walmart. All other marketing is from northern side or from foreign countries. Access India is a first Indian company. Friends, before entering into any business, we must know or gain the knowledge about the power of industry. Stick on to the trend, the power of digital marketing. Let's see a survey. The survey says it's around 10 lakhs and crores of business is done in 2016, and by 2019 it is all around about 20 lakhs and crores. Approximately by 2022 it will reach 35 lakhs and crores of digital marketing. Our company Access India is aiming to achieve 5,000 crores of digital marketing by 2022. Access.com Store Private Limited is the name of our company, and we have an app named Access India Beta. You can download it from Play Store. We have legally registered and have incorporation certificate under the Act of 2013, and it is managed by a team of well-experienced professionals, and we have an head office in Cronpet and 13 branches office. And it is started by A.B. Sendil Kumar sir and CEO Babu sir with 18 founder directors. Friends, many people doesn't know that Amazon, Jabang, Myntra, Flipkart, eBay belong to foreign companies. And the Access India is the only one Indian company which is started with an online digital marketing connected with network marketing. We have Ayurvedic healthcare products, professional products with a branded and non-branded, gents garments, ladies garments, footwears, home care products, home appliances, and domestic and international trade as products. Friends, these are the products available in our company, but it is not necessary. I didn't compel you to buy the products or sell the products. In the history of network marketing, first time a digital marketing is tied up with an income plan, and it is very unique. Our income starts from minimum 1,000 rupees to maximum to 60,000 rupees per week in one ID. We have three types of membership: open membership, privileged membership, and business associate. By being an open membership, you can just order the products. You get no discounts and you have to pay the delivery charges. By being a privileged membership, you can buy your products and discounts and no delivery charges. Then, by being a business associate, you can earn in lakhs and become a millionaire in few years by just referring your friends, families, relatives and neighbors. How to become a privileged member? You had to pay just rupees 5,500 only once in your lifetime and get lifetime business opportunity, lifetime ID password, 100 points and 16,500 rupees discount coupon with 1 year validity. Once if you have used your coupon within 7 months or 8 months, you can top up your account by any amount and you will get triple time of benefits as discount coupon. Friends, this is a slide to explain you how to use the discount coupon. Example, if you are buying a provision products for rupees 3,168, you get 15% discount since you are a Prime member, and you can pay just 2,693 rupees. And your profit for that month is 475 rupees. And for a year, you will get around about 5,700 rupees as a discount benefit. In the same manner, you can buy all the products with the discounts. And by being a business associate, you can get 5 types of benefits, that is direct referral income, team referral income, double up income, repurchase income, awards and rewards recognition. Direct referral income. Direct referral income is when you refer 2 people on your left and right in 100 PV, that is as A and B, so you will get 1,000 rupees as an income. Team referral income. Team refer income. When your team refer, let it as A and B refers 10 people on your left and 10 people on your right. Again you get 10,000 rupees. The thing I like the most in our company plan is carry forward system. When your team works, the person on your left referred 30 people. The person on your right referred only 20 people. You get 20,000 for rupees as a binary pair match, and the balance 10 will be carried forward to next week or next month. So friends, there is no lapse, no losses or no zero. Does it sounds good? Okay. The week you get 36% on your left and 36% on your right, you earn 36,000 rupees as your income, and the company will recognize you as a diamond director. Next, the week in which you get 60% on your left and 60% on your right, you will receive 60,000 rupees per week and 2,40,000 rupees per month, and the company will recognize you as a president diamond director. Double up income. Friends, you can register 3 IDs in your own name with a single PAN card. When you put one ID and you work with 2 teams, you can earn 60,000. And when you register with 3 IDs and you are working with 4 legs or 4 teams, you can earn around about 1,80,000 rupees per week and 7,20,000 rupees per month. And yearly, you can earn around 86,40,000 rupees per year. Towards Diamond. Friends, this slide helps you how to work with Towards Diamond. First, when you join, you refer 2 people, you receive 1,000 rupees. And when you refer the 2 people, they are giving the reference each by 2 people, then you will receive 2,000. As the 2 people refers each by 2, then you will get 4 on your left and 4 on your right, and you will get 4,000 rupees. As duplication follows on, slowly, by the end of 7th week, you get 60 pair match on your left and 60 pair match on your right, and you receive 60,000 rupees per week by 7th week. Friends, these are the products which are given for display to show you branded items of like Udayam Dal, Achi Shakti, etc. Friends, Access started by our company MD AB Senthil Kumar and CEO Babu sir with 12 friends, who now become and founder directors of the company, and we have 18 vice presidents, 35 CEDs and 75 EDs with top 350 diamond directors including double diamonds and triple diamonds. We have 1 head office in Chromepet and 13 branch offices. The company has provided 3 local trips, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Munnar, and 1 international trip to Malaysia. We have 18 car achievers, and company given around 8 crore rupees as a payout. Friends, so don't delay, join Access, earn in Access, and become a millionaire. Last but not the least, friends, for getting free delivery of provision item, you must order for minimum of rupees 1,000. Okay friends, let Access be your first and best choice for your second income. Thank you.